Remember we used number of tags such as HTML, head, title and body tag in the previous lesson? You will encounter many more tags as you make progress in this training program. Let us learn about tags in detail. HTML tags are keywords enclosed within angular brackets that define how the browsers must format and display the content. Most of the tags are used in pair, opening tag and closing tag. Opening tag is also known as start tag and closing tag as end tag. For example, p tag is used to create a new paragraph. You can use p tag in following manner. Opening p tag, that is p tag enclosed in angular brackets. Closing p tag, that is p tag enclosed in angular bracket with a forward slash before p. The pair of opening and closing tags together is called container. Content that you want to display and apply tags on is written within container. Let us add some text within the pair here. Batman is a fictional comic character. Together, these three are called an HTML element. Your HTML page is made of number of such elements. Let us use this example in our project. Currently, there is only one line in the body of this page. Let us add little more information about the Batman. I will simply add opening and closing p tag within body tag. Remember, HTML tags can be nested. That is, tags can be added within tags. Let's say you want to make the word Batman bold. You can do so by adding the word within b tag like this. The b tag now is child tag of p tag and p tag thus is parent tag of b tag. All your tags are enclosed within HTML tag, making it parent tag of all other tags. You will also note that there are number of tags within HTML tag such as body tag, p tag and b tag. That tells you that nesting can be recursive. Let us now see how our web page looks. You will note that only the word Batman is bold since we included that text in the b tag. I don't like this second line here and would like to take this text to the next line. How do I do it? I will do it by using br tag. Br tag gives you a line break. Also, note that br tag does not require a closing tag. This introduces us to another type of tag, empty tag. Empty tags do not require a closing tag. Let us see the output. You would see line break at the end of first sentence. So, in this lesson we learnt about tags and elements. We will continue our journey in the next lesson